Police car siren broken.
Stop right now! You are under arrest!
You'll never catch me.
Huh? It's a trap! I can't move! Help me, TinkerBot!
Hello. Welcome to the TinkerBot Repair Center. How can I help you?
I was chasing a thief, but he tricked me. I crashed into a streetlight.
Please go to the repair room and wait for a moment.
Okay.
Let me check you first. I will change your siren to a new one. Please wait.
Thank you!
Now I'll change your tires. You'll be stronger than before. Let's pump the tires full of air. Your mirror is bent. I'll fix that too. All done. Would you like a car wash now?
Yes, please!
First, rinse with clean water. Add lots of bubbles. Rinse again. Dry with the electric fan. Finally, wax and polish.
Wow! That's amazing! I feel stronger than ever!
Great!
Thank you so much! I'm going to catch those naughty thieves now!
I hope you catch them this time. Goodbye! Take care and stay safe!
Oh! Stop right now! Yeah! I caught you, thief! Mission complete!